channel. Thank you for taking the time to just sit with me and hang out. So today we're doing a little, actually I've been filming a lot of different things today. So today's kind of been like my filming day. And so I was filming something like throughout the day, because it's more of like a throughout the day filming thing. But right now, Ben and I just came back from some shopping because for the past like 4 days I've been at the house, and sometimes I just get cabin fever where I just need to leave. And so today was that day. I just needed to leave. I needed to get out. I needed to go do something for myself. I was supposed to save my money for this weekend, but I couldn't. So yeah, we went shopping. So we went to TJ Maxx, Ulta, and I thought it would also be cool to do my Boxycharm unboxing. And so I've never done one of these subscriptions. Well, no, I did Ipsy a long time ago, but my mother-in-law, she got me 6 months worth of Boxycharm, and so I'm super excited. Actually, I'll just do this one first because I'm really excited and I can't wait. Oh, Happy New Year! I know that I uploaded a different video, but that video was literally uploading for like 4 days, so this video will probably be uploading for 4 days, so whenever you see it. Ooh. Okay, so I opened the box. So these are $21 a month, and it comes with like a ton of stuff. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-sized makeup products, and way more expensive than $20. So the Tarte lip paint, I'll just get that, is right here. This is originally $20. It's in the shade Insta Famous. It looks, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's like a gloss. I don't know if it's, I'm sure it's iridescent. It's like, yeah, it's like an iridescent color. Ooh, I'm gonna just, yeah, we're doing this. Oh god, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla. Nope, it smells like Lucky Charms. Yep. Ben's sitting here eating his popcorn. He's like, Mom, what are you doing? Love this. Okay, it smells really good. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. This is pretty big. It's like bigger than my hand. I'm actually really excited for this because my face, as you can like tell, gets like really greasy. Oh my gosh! Look how cute this is. I'm guessing you just like, This is so stinking cute. Ugh. Do things ever like get you like angry because they're so cute? You're just like, oh, they're so cute. That's me. And then this Detox. Oh, this is the cosmetics. Okay, hold on. That Vulgar setting powder, $32. So we're already like way past the mark of $21. Okay, and then I have this Detox activated charcoal mask by Cosmetics, and this is $30. I'm really excited to use this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I've been wanting to try one of these ever since they became like super popular. Now I don't have to go buy one. Super cool. And then we have this lip liner, which is hilarious because I have been looking for lip liner. It's in the color Heathberry, or Heatherberry, my bad. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a mauvey pinkish. Oh, that's pretty. So there's like a little, that's pretty. That'll match this lipstick that I just got. And this is $12. And then we have our palette, which is right here, and this is, whoops, by Suva Beauty. So it says, Suva Beauty's new Protege Palette is a versatile, warm, and cool-toned palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters at $34. This is the packaging. Oh, this is super cute. And it's kind of like, the box is kind of like a Morphe, like hard cardboard. There's a pretty mirror in here. Ooh. These are the colors. More highlighters. So cute. They're like berries and like warm tones. I love this. Thank you. I love this. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to do like a, film like a look. Thank you. How cute. And it says like, hello charmer. That's adorable. Okay, so I love this. I'm so in love with this. Wow. I'm gonna have to convince Andrew to let me do this once my 6 months is up. Okay, you gonna hold it? Okay, I'll hold it. Okay, so that's cool. Loved everything in there. Thank you, Lorena. Now, since we're doing makeup stuff, I'll do a little haul from Ulta. I just got 3 things from here. I needed to get some new blending brushes because I have like 1. And so I got the Morphe. I got one Morphe brush, the M535. It's just like a fluffy brown brush. I got another one, it's the Morphe M562. Just like a smaller fluffy brush. And then, it's so funny, we've been looking for this since we saw it at Europa, but it's poopery. You're supposed to spray it before you use the bathroom. So before you do your business, you're supposed to spray it. And it actually works amazing. And we've been looking for it everywhere. Like everywhere we went, we've been looking for it. How funny that it was at a makeup store. Come here. Say hi. Okay, then I went to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has their wrapping paper on sale. I got 4. So this year I guess we're gonna do like a dog and animal wrapping paper theme. So these ones are English bulldogs. Super cute. $150 for that bad boy. We have another one. These are little weenie dogs. $150 again. And yeah. And then I had to because if you know me, you know I love cats. Then I got some cat wrapping paper. Also $150. Super cute. And then the last one I got was this one. Some puppies just dressed up in scarves and junk. So stinking cute. And these were all $150. So I was like, I can't like pass up on that. And then this year, or last year, I ran out of wrapping paper. So stocked up. Okay. And then I got this Silverware tray organizer. Ours is disgusting. I think it came with the house. So it's about time we got a new one. But yeah, just this bad boy right here. Nice and sturdy, gray, has grips on the bottom. I'm actually really excited about this. It's funny the things you get excited about, like as you get older, and like when you have, it's okay, and when you have like your own home. Oh, I also got this popcorn, pure popcorn, sea salt flavor at TJ Maxx because Ben was losing his mind, needed a snack. And then, okay. I got these little bowls because, mainly for decorations, because I have like, I'll just show you later, but I also like to chop up my food and put them in little bowls, and then when I have to add them in, I just like throw them in, just for like organizational purposes. So I got these 3 little bowls, then 4. These are $5.99. And then I've been wanting to get more of these. Sick. New Year, sick me. Anyways, I've been wanting to get these like wooden utensils. These are bamboo though. And so these come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, hi, Ben. 8 utensils, and they are $5.99. I'm really excited for these because one, they don't, I don't know, they're way sturdier than the plastic ones. My plastic ones always bend, and then my plastic ones always somehow end up melted. So, and I feel like these are just better quality. I don't know. I got those, and then, oh, this is like a little random thing. You okay? You okay? like in a little checkout aisle. You know how they like get you there with all the tiny cute stuff. Just like a little succulent note planner. I wanted to get this for grocery list purposes because I just don't have small paper like this, and I never pay attention when I write stuff, like when I type stuff on my phone. And so I just figured whenever I need something, I can just write it down, put it in my purse, not forget about it. Easy, quick, and it was cute. So that's nice too. And then I got this, like a vase, but I'm going to use it to put these in. I'll just do that right now. Just like that. And I'm going to put it in the kitchen. I thought it was really cool. It's like this pretty, what's it called? Olive? No, marble finish. It's really pretty. I have like the kind of, I just like that look. Classic marble. Careful, Ben. Okay, and then, I forgot what this is. Oh, and that thing was $7.99 as well. And then I got this spoon thing, you know, like when you're cooking and you need to like, so you're like mixing the red chili and then you put this on the counter, red chili gets everywhere. That happens to me all the time. So, I finally got one of these, stir it, put it down, there you go. So, I'm really excited for this. So dumb, I'm so excited for this like spoon holder. Okay, this is $4.99. And then, ooh, I like forgot what I purchased. I got a cheese grater because we needed one. We have now turned into a non-shredded cheese family just because we did like research about how like blocked cheese is like how it's fresh and how it's healthier because it's more fresh. And so and so we moved to that, and we don't have a cheese grater. We do have a cheese grater, but it broke. So this one's more sturdy. You can just like hold it down, and yeah, this was $3.99. It's a real cheese grater. And then last but not least, thank you.
Papa?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. Ooh. Slight technical difficulties. I just fell. Okay. Sorry, I'm eating. I haven't had lunch yet. Anyways, I got this apron. Isn't it so cute? It's like floral print, and then it has pockets. Love pockets. I am obsessed with just stuff like this. So let me see. What is that? And the apron that I have now, from New Mexico, is just a Dion's apron. Which is cool and stuff, but I don't know, I just want to look cute. I love this. It's like a dress. This is so stinking cute. I love my hips. Are you kidding? Yes, I had a child. So, yeah, I just like love little homey stuff like this. Like, I originally was saving my money to go buy myself clothes, but I was like, girl, just be honest with yourself. You hardly get dressed, and when you do, you wear like the same shirts, which is fine. Ben, please. I don't care. So, like, stop, please. I was like, I just need stuff for my house anyways, and it's like my job. Like, this is my job. Being home, being a homemaker, staying at home with Ben, it's my job. So, I just wanted to improve my work environment, get myself a little, like, uniform, work uniform, like, whatever. I like cute stuff like that. And then I also bought, like, 3 other things for a person that I love very much that I can't talk about. But yes, so yeah, so that was my shopping haul. It was super fun. Yeah, that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a quick little video. If you guys like these kind of videos, like shopping hauls, make sure to leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up just so I know. I really enjoy doing these. I think they're super fun. They're super easy for me because it doesn't take that much and I can include Ben. So yeah, it was super fun for me to film this. So now I'm gonna put all the stuff I bought for the house to use. Also, just want to address it real fast. Yes, I have pink eye. If you noticed that, like it's right there. I get pink eye like really often. I have really sensitive eyeballs. I always got like styes in high school. I think that's because I used to share makeup. And then everyone is always like, well, like whose poop did you get in your eye? And I'm just like, I didn't do anything to get poop in my eye. But just being honest, just being real, like poop could have like slipped in my fingernail and I could have not like noticed and it maybe just stayed there and I touched my eye. Not for myself. I mean, maybe, but mainly no. Probably from my son, the one whose Pampers I changed. So it could have happened, I'm just saying. Anyways, just being real. But yes, I have pink eye way to start off the year and I have this cough that has not left me alone since, I don't know, but whatever. Yes, I'm a little sick. Just wanted to address that so I don't get any like comments, and I probably will get comments about the whole finger and poop thing. That's fine. Anyways, my gosh, I'm rambling. Okay, so if you like these videos, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me and just watching my little shopping haul / Boxycharm opening. Yeah, thanks again. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, love you guys. Bye.